Okay, I want to do a game called Cadash. I'm using testing out my scanline generator, and so in my CRT settings. This is a good game. Let's see how smooth it is. Pretty good game. I see how smooth it is. It's just so hard on my camera because the light is too. Game's dark. It's really deep blues and reds, but on my phone it's kind of washing out the colors a little bit, you know. But everything gets glass. I mean, it gets glassy smooth, you know. Like, you know, it make your eyes, you know, look how smooth this is. Without the, you know, it's pretty smooth. There is no glitching besides my camera. My camera can't. I'm trying to find the right frequency, right frames for my camera so I can capture this. But you can see how nice and clean that is. But the camera is kind of glitching, not the game. Game doesn't glitch, so it's pretty cool. But I'm just testing this out.